Okay. So the microspheres are quite a complex dosage form, involving different steps in the manufacturing, which can affect like the drug stability, for example, affect the drug loading. And we've found in my lab, when we've deliberately made small changes in the manufacturing process, it has resulted in changes in the performance of the product, such as how the drug is released, maybe more slowly or more quickly, just from minor changes in manufacturing. Although we put the same materials in, the same amount of drug, the same polymers, all the same excipients there, just make a small change in the manufacturing process can really affect the performance of the product. So understanding what we call the critical quality attributes of the drug product is very, very important. So those are the attributes that really define the performance in the body, such as, for example, the particle size of a microsphere or its porosity, how porous it is. That can help the drug to release faster or slower. So there has to be a really good understanding of these. And so it turns out when, for example, generic drug company try to copy the innovator product, it can be very difficult for them. So some of the research in my lab is to kind of understand that whole landscape and see, what is the range of processing parameters that can affect the performance, and then to publish that. And so this can help the generic companies, and also to have a good method of testing the performance in the end is very critical to the understanding of the generic companies. And even for the innovator company, when they're making a new drug product, they also have to understand in their processing how much variation can occur and still have the same performance of the product. I probably said too much for you to translate.